How to integrate Stripe with Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Stripe with Shopify. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to open up your Shopify store and you will get right here. After you log in, this is our main admin. Now we're going to navigate to settings. Stripe is a payment provider and it can be added through payments. So we will have to go to payments right here. Then we have payment providers. Choose a provider. Here, we're gonna search for Stripe. You can see we have Stripe. Once you select Stripe, it will take you to connect your Stripe to your Shopify. Shopify partners with Stripe for secure payments. Now, all you need to do is just log into your Stripe account. If you do not have any, you can create one using your email address. So I will just simply log into my account, enter the password, click on login, and your Shopify and Stripe will be connected and you will be able to accept payments through Stripe. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.